How's it everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna attempt to recover one of my scooter seats for the first time. First I started removing the old cover. There's some bolts and staples. Finally it's loose, so let's take the cover off. I then took the cover by undoing all the stitches. I used a small surgical blade by removing all the stitches. By using some pins, I used the old cover to pin down it to the new material and use it as a stencil. Always cut it a bit slightly bigger than your stencil. I then removed all the pins. Here's some reflective material I'm gonna put over the seat. It is slightly grippy, just to give some grip to the seat. Here I'm stitching the reflective material. Then I started by stitching the piping. So the piping I'm only stitching where I took the original piping off. Yeah, then you just stitch everything back together and hopefully it fits. So here I used the staple gun just to staple everything to the seat, and it's a lengthy process. Take your time to make it perfect. By this point, my fingers was killing me, but I must say it's coming out really nicely. Not bad for a first time, but let's check how it looks. If you have any tips, please comment below. And here it is, all done. I must say, not a bad job, but it could be better. Here and there is some imperfections, but not bad for a first time. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers!